Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum dear students of class 1. How are you all? Hope you will be fine and enjoying good health in these days. In the previous lecture we have discussed ordinal numbers. In this lecture we will learn how to find position of an object. Let's start. Here some of the animals will be shown to us. We will find their position. Lion. Then it comes zebra. Then fox. Next one is deer, alligator, dog, monkey, ostrich, elephant and camel. They are standing in a line. At first position, lion is standing. The next one is zebra. Zebra is standing at the second position. Fox is at the third position. Can you tell me the position of deer? Its position is fourth. Deer is standing at fourth place. At fifth place, alligator is standing. What is the place of dog? Its place is sixth. And the place of monkey is seventh. Can you tell me the place of ostrich? Place of ostrich is 8th. The place of elephant is 9th. And then camel is standing at the 10th place. Here some of the animals are standing in a line. Can you tell me which animal is standing at the third place? The animal that is standing on third place is fox. What is the place of fox? Third place. Fox is standing at the third place. Who is standing at the 10th place? Can you tell me the name of animal who is standing at the 10th place? The animal that is standing at the 10th place is camel. Camel is standing at the 10th place. Camel is standing at the 10th place. On which place elephant is standing? You can see this picture and find out the place of elephant. Elephant is standing at the 9th place. Elephant is standing at the 9th place. What is the position of monkey? Can you tell me? What is the position of monkey? At which place the monkey is standing? Monkey is standing at the 7th place. Monkey is standing at the 7th place. Which animal is standing at the 5th place? Do you have any idea? You can see this picture and tell me the name of that animal. Which animal is standing at the 5th place? Very good. At 5th place, alligator is standing. Who is standing at 5th place? Alligator is standing. Here some of the students are standing in a line. They want to sit in the school bus. We can see that Umar is standing at the first place. Next one is Sarah. Sarah is standing after Umar. We can say that Sarah is at the second place. The next one is Alia. Can you tell me at which place Alia is standing? What comes after second? After second it comes third. We can say that Alia is standing at the third place. The next one is Saad. Saad is standing at the fourth place. And next one is Moiz. Moiz is standing at the fifth place. Can you tell me on which place Ali is standing? What comes after fifth? Think. Very good. Ali is standing at the 6th place. Ali is standing at the 6th place. And the next one is Sana. Now tell me the place of Sana. On which place Sana is standing? Sana is standing at the 7th place. Sana is standing at the 7th place. Then Zara is standing. And Zara is standing at the 8th place. Then Ayan is standing. Can you tell me the place of Ayan? What comes after 8th? The next one is? Next one is 9th. Ayan is standing at the 9th place. In this video, we have learned how to find the position of an object in a series. In the next video, we will learn what comes after and what comes between. Take care of yourselves. Allah Hafiz.